Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week, I want you to think about pitching your local media stories related to graduation, whether it's high school kids prepping for college or it's college kids entering the real world. Time to adult. Now is a great time to insert your expertise. Every single person watching this video should have some advice to give a college graduate, no matter what industry you're in. So now is the time to start to pitch those stories. And this is local. Remember, we're in a time frame window here. So these are stories you're going to pitch in the next 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks, to get in there right around the beginning of June. So that is this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. If you like this tip and you'd like to learn more, please download our free blueprint at captivateandcashin.com/blueprint, where we give you all kinds of ideas on how to hone in on your message, how to attract the media, and how to pitch the media. So pitch your graduation stories now, and please share your successes with me. I cannot wait to see you in the media.